Hello everyone. Number 116 L3 gamma function. Parenthesis 1 gamma 1 over 2 equal integral 0 to infinity at minus t at minus 1 over 2 dt. This value equal root pi. And definition, gamma x equal integral 0 to infinity at minus t at x minus 1 dt. This is definition. And x is now x is positive. And circle 1 and integral minus infinity to infinity at minus x squared dx. This value equal a and equal 2 times integral 0 to infinity at minus x squared dx. Y equal e at minus x squared. This graph equal this area equal about y-axis. Then 2 times and this value equal 2 times 0 to infinity equal. And now x squared equal t and x equal root t. X is positive or 0. X equal 2 at 1 over 2. Then and dx equal 1 over root t dt. X domain and then t domain. And equals this is, and then a equal integral 0 to infinity at minus t at minus 1 over 2 dt. And this is definition by definition gamma 1 over 2. And circle 2 gamma 1 over 2 equal a equal integral minus infinity to infinity e at minus x squared dx. And a square equal this is, and equal this is, and x minus infinity to infinity, and y also minus infinity to infinity. And now x equal r cos theta, y equal r sin theta. and then domain is r 0 to infinity, theta 0 to 2 pi, and then equal this integral r 0 to infinity and theta 0 to 2 pi e at minus r square and dx d theta equal absolute j dr d theta. Jacobian, j equal Jacobian. And j equal this is and calculate and equal r, then absolute j equal r. And a square equal and e at minus r square absolute j dr d theta. And this is e at minus r square r dr d theta equal this is, and this calculate this derivative equal r e at minus r square. Then this integral minus 1 over 2 e at minus r square. From 0 to infinity. And the integral 0 to 2 pi d theta equal a square. And this calculate equal 1. Then 1 over 2, 1, 0 to 2 pi integral d theta. And then 1 over 2 times 2 pi equal pi. A square equal pi. And a is positive. Then a equal root pi. And circle 3 gamma 1 over 2 equal root pi from circle 1 circle 2 and parenthesis 2 circle 1 and definition gamma x equal integral 0 to infinity e at minus t at x minus 1 dt. And x is now positive. And gamma x plus 1 equals x plus 1 then. And this integral f dash t equal e at minus t. And gx equal t at x. And then partial integral formula. Then f dash t gt, integral f dash t gt equal f t gt minus f t g dash t dt. And then f dash t gt equal f t gt. Ft equal this is, and g dash t equal this is ft g dash t. Then f dash t gt integral dt equal ft gt, and minus ft g dash t, ft g dash t minus ft g dash t. This is okay, and calculate equal, this calculate equal 0. Then this is equal by definition gamma x. Gamma x plus 1 equal x gamma x. This calculate e minus at e at minus t at x limit t close to infinity equal, and n x small or equal n is integer. Then and this calculate equal derivative, then and equal limit t close to infinity and n minus 1.1 over e at t, and equals 0. And this calculate equals 0. And parenthesis 2 circle 2 gamma 1 equal by definition and equal 1, and circle 3 n is greater than 2 or equal n is integer. And gamma n equals by parenthesis to circle 1, and gamma n equal n minus 1 times gamma n minus 1, and equal n minus 1 n minus 2 gamma n minus 2 point n minus 1 n minus 2 point n minus 1 gamma n minus 1, and equal this is n minus 1 n minus 2 point 1 gamma 1 equal this is equal n minus 1 factorial. Okay, it's finished.